Hi, this is Mark T the Handyman. Today we're going to start up our lawn sprinklers.
So the first thing we have to do is we have to close the drain for the vacuum breaker. The vacuum breaker is underneath our deck. It's not an easy place to get to, but the sprinkler installer said that this was the only place it would work. So I guess it's better than nothing. So we'll do that. We'll close this, and now we can go downstairs and turn the water on.
So this is the inlet from our well water, and then this is our valve for our sprinklers. So we're going to turn that on, and we're going to go see if we can start those sprinklers up. So I have this Rainbird controller which is Wi-Fi connected, and I'm going to be turning all the sprinkler systems on through my phone. So I just started that number 1 circuit through my phone, kind of just basically showing you how it could be done remotely. I can do this from work or wherever I'm at. There goes the next one, way out there. That's number 2, and number 3 is way out there. They react fairly quickly. I've got 7 stations, but I'm not going to go through all of them. I did check them already, and they all seem to be working properly. They're all on track, and they all pop up, and they all go back down. I don't see any water leaking, so we're going to finish the video. One thing about a startup is not only starting it up, but also making sure the sprinklers are going in the right direction and the distance that you want it to go to, okay, or the angle you want it to go to. Right now this is set up about almost 3/4 of the way, and you can, that's a stationary lock point right there. So you work off of that. If I want to decrease this, I don't know if you can see this, so we're going to turn it counterclockwise, and you can narrow that down. So now it's going to go there and just there. So it's going only 90 degrees, okay? And if you want to increase it, you would go the opposite way. I don't know if you can see that. Now we're going clockwise. So now it's going there, which is the stationary point, and it can come that far there. Oops, sorry, I didn't see that. So now it's going from there to here. So we're going to show you that once again. We're going to make that smaller. We're going counterclockwise. I don't know if you can see that. Counterclockwise. And now that's its end point. Where before it was getting squirted in the blade. Okay, like I say, that's adjustable, but this is stationary. Okay, if you need to go farther spray or less spray, you would just turn this, and it sprays it more or less. Counterclockwise turn gives you more or less, and a clockwise gives you more spray. So that's the distance that it's going to leave. Okay. If you need to change the stationary side of it, if you need to change the stationary part of this, you need to grab it not on the stem here, but down a little bit farther than that. And move it like that. So now you can see it's pointing that way. You put that back where it's supposed to go. And now it's pointing where it's supposed to go. So that's the difference. Hopefully that was helpful. If you like my video, please give us a thumbs up or a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.